This is Tim McNulty with MarineMax Palm Beach, and today we're going to take a look at a 2018 302 Robalo forward seating center console. Twin 300 Yamahas, low hours, very clean boat. Let's take a look. Twin 300 Yamahas, very fuel efficient, nice power for this boat. Has your fold out transom seat. Nice port side 58-gallon circulating live well. In-deck fish boxes. You have a secondary live well in the workstation with a slide-out Coleman cooler. As we go forward to the helm, you got a 7616 Garmin XSV chart plotter sounder, command link display, binnacle controls, trim tabs. Nice leaning post and helm seat. Very nice layout, big hardtop, a lot of storage, windshield, ventilated. As we walk forward, have a nice forward seating with a pop-in table. Comes with a windlass as well, with a plow anchor. Plenty of storage. In the console, we have a China bowl head. Very large enclosed head. The door closes. Makes a nice forward console seat. So that is our 2018 302 Robalo forward seating center console. Has bottom paint, nice teal hull. Good looking boat. We have this boat in trade here at Palm Beach Gardens. Again, my name is Tim McNulty with MarineMax Palm Beach.